Hi. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
Hi, I'm Knuckles the Echidna.
Hi. I'm Tails the Fox.
And hi. I'm Amy Rose.
And today, me, Knuckles, Tails, and Amy will go to the movie theater to see Sonic the Hedgehog.
Dark Nabbit. How dare you watch the Killer Joe movie when you were supposed to watch the Lego movie? That's it. You are grounded for 52 weeks. Let's go home right now. And when we get home, I will order the Super Mario World cartoon DVD for Amazon.
Welcome to the movie theater. What movie would you like to see? We have My Little Pony, Equestria Girls, Forgotten Friendship movie, Thomas and Friends, Journey Beyond Sodor the movie, and Sonic the Hedgehog movie.
I would like 4 tickets to see Sonic the Hedgehog movie.
Okay. Enjoy the movie.
The movie will start now. Enjoy the movie.
Welcome to Wendy's. How may I take your order?
I would like 4 burgers, and 4 fries please.
Okay. Coming right up.
Coming up next. It's Sonic X. Only on YTV. Oh boy. It's our favorite show.
I agree with you, Sonic.
Me too.
Me 3.